Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today is a requested video by many of my subscribers who have this very common problem of flaky hair, very dry, rough, unmanageable hair, damaged and dull hair. So we are going to be making a very highly conditioning shampoo today to treat all these type of issues where you'll have a very nice silky shiny hair. Now to make this, we are going to be using a blend of amino acids as our surfactants, and these are a little bit highly advanced formulations which are made during our workshops, but I will definitely be sharing the basic formulation in the description box for those who wish to try out these shampoos, and y'all too will see a visible change in the shine that you get on your hair. But for much more advanced formulations and much more effective ones, you can join the workshop. So we'll quickly start with the making of the shampoo. Here I have my water phase. In my water phase I have taken some water and glycerin. I have also added a little bit of polyquaternium for more conditioning effect on the hair. And here in my oil phase I have taken my blend of oils, waxes, thickeners, a lot of soft emollients for the hair, conditioning agents. So all that goes in my oil phase. You all can definitely try using a little bit of BTMS 50. That also helps to condition the hair. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases. So I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase and my water phase, and now I'll quickly go ahead and combine both these phases together, and we'll give it a blend. So I'm just mixing this here with my spatula because it's a very small batch. So you will see how this is nicely blended in together. And we'll just wait for this mixture to completely cool down till we go ahead and add our blend of surfactants. Now even for the surfactants, I have taken highly nourishing and moisturizing surfactants, which gives a very good shine and luster to your hair. So I have taken that combination here, and we'll wait for the solution to cool before we mix them together. Okay, so now the solution has cooled down, so I'm going ahead and adding my surfactant also in this. And as I always say, once you add any surfactant in your formulation, you have to try to avoid using a blender to mix it. Otherwise there will be a lot of air bubbles that will form in the solution. So I'll just gently mix this. Also I will go ahead and add my preservative to this and my blend of fragrance. And now we'll go ahead and give this a final mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed everything together, and now the solution has cooled down completely, and we have our lovely shampoo, Silk and Shine shampoo, ready here, which has an excellent viscosity and very soft effect on your hair. Once you start making these products, I'm sure you will stop buying products from outside, which is filled with so many chemicals. So those who are interested in learning these chemical free products, SLS paraben free products, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. And if you like what I share, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you everyone.